Hello, we are two of the three founders of InnoFarming, and we at InnoFarming develop vertical indoor farming systems which are more ecological and economical than traditional agriculture. Our competitive advantage lies in our unique way of watering our crops and the implementation of semi-automated systems. My name is Timo Visestamkul, CEO of InnoFarming. I studied my master's in entrepreneurship and SME management at the University of Siegen.
I am Charleen Ayelou, CTO of InnoFarming. I studied my master's in international engineering and management, also at the University of Siegen. The third co-founder and CRO is Christos Iordanidis. He currently studies his master's in biology technology at the University of Münster.
So first of all, for us entrepreneurs from the small city called Siegen in Germany, we did not have any contact points with the EU so far. So especially in the beginning, we closely worked together with our regional network. Nonetheless, later on, when trying to accelerate business growth, contact points with the EU become very important due to the limited resources of these regional networks. The EU should be more present for smaller startup clusters like Startpunkt 57, which supports us and other young entrepreneurs in Siegen.
Yeah, the European Green Deal shows an ambitious goal to create a sustainable and fair ecosystem for Europe. Nonetheless, to achieve these goals, disruptive and new ideas have to be developed to change existing and unsustainable structures. We at InnoFarming provide these disruptive ideas. With our cultivation technique, we save up to 99% of water resources, 99% of fertile farmland, 70% of fertilizers, and use 0% of pesticides. Our technology, in combination with the resources of the EU, will trigger innovative change, which not only promotes the European Climate Pact, but also strengthens the EU as a global leader. The University of Siegen supported us in many ways. First, it offered interdisciplinary classes where we worked on our own business ideas. This was the foundation of our three-headed founder team today. Secondly, we received a working space, a mentor, and financial support to create our first prototype and prove our concept.
Yeah, for that we deeply thank the University of Siegen, but also our startup cluster Startpunkt 57 and the State Department of Nordrhein-Westfalen.